Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Realpage Onesite for 2025. Today, we'll explore its features, benefits, and how it can streamline your property management. Let's dive into the key features of Realpage Onesite in 2025. From intuitive dashboards to advanced analytics, these tools are designed to simplify your tasks. Now, we'll guide you through navigating the user interface step by step, ensuring you maximize your productivity with ease. Managing lease agreements is crucial. Let's learn how to do it effectively using Realpage Onesite's robust tools. Integrating property management functions into Onesite is seamless. We'll explore the onboarding process that ensures a smooth transition. Effective resident communication is vital. Discover how Onesite enhances engagement and fosters community interactions. Analytics are a game changer. Let's examine the reporting capabilities of Realpage Onesite that help you make data-driven decisions. Even the best systems encounter issues. Here, we'll tackle common problems and answer frequently asked questions regarding Onesite. Let's share some essential tips and best practices to help you maximize your efficiency with Realpage Onesite. In conclusion, Realpage Onesite continues to evolve. Let's take a look at the future outlook and what we can expect in upcoming versions.